making almond rolls today. They're in my book. It's a nice recipe. It's a fabulous recipe. It's easy and it's children friendly. You can make it with the kids. So here we have about 3 cups of almonds grounded and 1.5 cup of sugar and some vanilla. And I just finished with lemon ring. So it's ready right here. That makes all the difference in this beautiful dessert. It's traditional actually when you work with Phyllo. Oh, it feels good. It feels so good when you work with Phyllo. Especially if you were brought up in that environment. So 3 eggs, lightly beaten. And we mix up the lemon. Wherever the lemon goes, like it brings a freshness and it's so delicious. Just have to mix it well. And we fry those actually, lightly fry them in some nice light oil, whatever you like. And we're going to work with our Phyllo. We're going to make a cue so you'll know what it's all about. Double like this. In the meantime, I have to put the oil to get warmed up. So we can make a few and see how easy it is to have something delicious for the family. There you go, it's nice and ready. And what we do at this stage, we have some egg white. Just some egg white. And here. So we're going to fry them lightly till they become nicely golden. Just a few minutes each side, not very long. It's a nice little dessert, you know. It's if you have in the house like nuts and Phyllo, you can do so many things actually, you know. And when they're done, it just takes a few minutes. The thing is, the secret is that I have a nice syrup ready, and that syrup is amazing because it's got the cinnamon and the honey and the sugar, you know, and it's ready, nice and hot. And I'm going to just dip them. When I take them from this step, let me know. There's nothing better than to do what you like, to do what you love, and you can improve and you can make it better every time, you know. So that's what we encourage young people to do, actually, to, you know, experiment with food because they're going to need it. And it's good at it. They're getting there. Look at them. They're getting nice and golden. Two more minutes. If my son allows me and leaves any, he likes them so much. Oh boy. Come, look at them. They're very good. Don't let them get too dark. They don't need very much time. No, just a few minutes. Isn't that perfection? Isn't that nice? Wow. So I guess when you love what you do, it's not work, it's pleasure. And you can enjoy it in more ways than one. Like working with it, and playing with it, and eating it at the end. Wow. That's perfection. I'm just going to take them and dip them nice and hot in the syrup. And this, I'm going to take a swirl in there. What do you think? It's hot! We're done for today. I love those little things, those treats. They're wonderful. Try them and let me know. This is Litsa, everybody. Have a nice afternoon. Bye.